Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to check if a text is present in a string. Now let's say we have a string named my channel. Now I want to check if channel is present in that string. For us to do this, we're going to import a library called re, and then let's specify the two strings, these two string variable. Let's say string 1 be equals to channel, and let's say string 2 is equals to chan. Now, as we know, chan is in channel. We can find this chan in channel, as we know. So we want to check if that is possible. So for us to do this, we say re.search. If re.search, that means if string 2 is present in string 1, then print string, let's print out string 2 is present in string 1. But if it's not, let's say else, we'll print out, let's just simply copy this. String 2 is not present in string 1. Now let's save this. Now it says chan is present in channel. But if I put something like chat, it says chat is not present in channel. But let's make it more fun by allowing the user to input the two strings and then checking if they are present. Now we'll say input, say enter first string, and then input enter second string. So when we run this, the user is going to be allowed to enter first string and second string. They will tell if the second string is present in the first string. Let's run this. Now let's enter the first string. Let's correct this. Let's run that again. Now let's enter the first string. Let's name the first string country in the world. Now let's okay guys, let's run this again. First string country in the world. Second string, let's say in. Now it says in is present in country in the world. But now I will run this again and type hi, and then we type gi. It says gi is not present in hi. Now that's how to check if a substring is present in a string. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button and please subscribe and click on the bell notification button so you get notified when I drop new videos. Having that said, if you have any question, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer your question. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.